Hi guys, my name is Leo and I'm going to make an easy tutorial to recover the 7-8 coins of the NFT plots of the forks, the Chia forks, that don't give the full support to the NFT plots. So we are gonna use this Flora coin tool, this Flora network coin tool called fd-cli. Okay, here we go. So guys, we are gonna need some downloads. We are gonna use some tools to do this work. The first thing we are gonna need is the Python version 3.9.6, this version. Okay. The second thing we are gonna use is the Git, this version, this Git slash scm.com. Okay, all that download links I'm gonna leave in the video description. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. And the Microsoft Visual C++ downloads. I'm sorry, but this is in Portuguese because Microsoft translates automatically to Portuguese. So but don't worry, the downloads is almost the same, and I'm gonna leave the link. So I think, I'm not sure, but I think when you click it, Microsoft will automatically translate. And I'm gonna try to do the American link in here, the US English download in here. So I think it's gonna work. So, the first thing we are gonna need to do is download the Python. So you're gonna download the Python version, this version. So it's just click in here, and you can just click in here and download the Windows package. The Windows installer 64-bit, this one in here. Okay, click in here. We're going to download it. The second one, we can download the 64 version Git, this one in here. Okay, we can click in here. Okay, and the Visual C++, we can download the 64-bit version. Okay, this one in here. Okay, so now we can go to the download folder and we can start installing everything. Okay, I have already everything installed, everything downloaded in here. Okay guys, the first thing we are gonna install is the Python. So we can click in here to install Python, and we are before clicking in install now, we are gonna click in add Python 3.9 to path. Okay, we click in here and then we click install now. Right now it's installing. We are gonna wait a little bit. Okay, great, it's almost done. Nice. Now we can install the Git. Okay, we can go and install Git. We double click Git. It will open the installer. Okay, we click in next. We click, I have already a little tutorial in here. The first page, we don't click on anything. We can all go on at the ones is already clicked in here. We click on next. The second one, the option, you're gonna see, it's not this one. it's not gonna be use the nano editor. So you're gonna click here, you're gonna get the first option, and you're gonna see use the nano editor by default. Okay, maybe guys, you gonna say, oh, this is not necessary, but this is what worked for me, so I'm gonna use this, and I'm using this because that is what worked for me. Okay, so we are gonna use the nano editor. Okay, we click on next. Okay, the second thing, we left on let Git decide. We click on next. Now we use the Git from command line. It's this second option. Okay, we click on next. Now we click on the first option, use bundled open SSH. Okay. Now we click to open SSH, to use the open SSH library. Okay. We click on Next again. Now we check out Windows style. We check out Windows style commit Unix style line. It's the first option. It's exactly this one. We click on Next. Guys, now we are gonna use the mini min TTY, the first option. Okay, we click on Next. Now we're gonna use the default. Okay, the first option again. Now we're gonna use the Git credential. It's the first option again. Now we're gonna click on both. I think the default, it's just the first option. Okay, you're gonna click the second option too. Okay. Now we're gonna left both options without clicking. Okay, and click on install. In my situation, Git is removing files and installing again because I had already Git installed, but it's not a problem in my situation, but you probably don't. So now we are going to install the last one, that it's the Visual C++, just after we finish with Git install. Okay. We just wait a little bit, and then we go with Visual C++ install. Okay. Here we go. So we have already Git installed. Okay. We click on finish, and then we can step to Visual C++. It's this file. Okay. And we can double click it. On my situation, we have already it installed, and we have two options: uninstall and repair. So in your situation, you are gonna have a button to install it. So I'm not gonna uninstall, and I'm not gonna repair it, because the installation, it's very, very, very simple. So you only have to click on install, and it's very, very, very fast. So you click install, it takes like 10 seconds, and it's already installed. Okay, I'm gonna click in close, and then I know it's already installed. Let's step to the next phase, and then we can step up to the command line, and then what we have to do at the PowerShell. Okay. Before doing anything on PowerShell, we need to download the script from Flora network. We are gonna download the Flora recovery script, the Flora recovery.ps1 script. So we can click on it and it's gonna be downloaded to our browser. So now our script, Flora underline recovery .ps1 is in our download folder. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do is copy it to our user folder. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, as you can see, here is my computer hard drives. I'm gonna use my local drive, my C drive, my main drive. Here I'm gonna use my users folder, users in Portuguese here, but users in your case. So my name here, my username here, my Leonardo. And then here I have all my Fox folders, okay? And then I'm gonna copy my PS1 script to my user folder, okay? So as you can see, it's already here, okay? Now I'm going to now I can start using it, okay? I'm gonna build. I need to build the how I use the script, because in the command line I have to put some data, the NFT data. So I have to build on the command line. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, guys, this is the template of the user of the script. Okay, this is the template. So the Flora recovery.ps1 is the script. Users that backslash, and the user here, I'm gonna put my username in the folder. As you can see in here, it's Leonardo. Okay, so I'm gonna put in here Leonardo. Okay, so I'm gonna get to put all this data, the fingerprint, the launcher hash, the launcher ID, and the pull contract from Chia. Okay, all this data I'm gonna get from Chia, and this data I'm gonna get as much contract address as I have. So if I have, I'm gonna show you little fast. As you can see in here, I have one little contract that I use to testing pools with 27 plots. I have another little contract in here for testing pools with 27 plots, another little contract in here with 27 plots, and I have a little bigger contract in here with 390 plots, and a little smaller contract in here with 296 plots. Okay, so I had to get all this launcher IDs numbers. Okay, the launcher ID I'll get from here, but I'm gonna have to get some data. It's not exactly this number. I had to remove this 0x from here. Okay, and the pull contract address, as you can see here, the pull contract address I'm gonna get from here, from this little question mark in here. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here. Okay, I'm gonna get all this data. I can start copying it from here. I can copy like 5 times, because I'm gonna actually I can copy just one time, because I can start with the fingerprint. Okay, the fingerprint, it's very easy to get. As you can see in here, I get my fingerprint. It's this one in here. This is my fingerprint. Okay, I can just open in here and copy my fingerprint, I can just put this number from here, 2372670383. Let me check it. Is this 2372670383? Perfect. That's it. Now I can copy this more 4 times, because I have 5 NFTs in my case. Okay, in your case probably you don't have as much NFTs as I have. Okay, so I click on here again, I go again on pool, and I can start copying all my NFTs. Okay, so I get my pool contract address in here, copy it in from here. I get my pool contract address, I get in here, and I paste in here. Okay, so I can get my launch ID, copy from here, and I can paste my launcher ID in here. Okay, so now I can just delete the 0x and it's fine. Okay, now I can get to the second one from here. I can copy my pool contract address and substitute from pool contract in here. Okay, and then use my launcher ID, copy here, and paste on launcher ID, deleting the 0x in here. The next one, copy from here, and the launcher ID, and the launcher is this one. Okay, it's just I changed the order. Okay, it's this one. Okay, ends with 99, just checking, ends with 99. Perfect. So only these two right now. So I can copy in here, contract. Okay, and now the launcher, and I can copy from here and delete. Okay, delete the 0x. Okay, guys, it's the last one, launcher ID. Okay, just deleting the 0x in here, and you can see all the ones I deleted the 0x, and all the ones I put the contract address. So right now I only need to put the blockchain in here. If I don't put the blockchain in here, it's gonna works with Flora network, okay, with the Flora fork, because the tool is made for Flora. It's made by Flora network. Okay, so it's almost ready to work. If I just copy and start making it work, it's gonna work, but it's gonna work for Flora. Okay, so I can just copy from here to the end, and it's gonna work for Flora. Okay, let's try to make it to work for Flora, and let's see if I get some coins. Okay, just one more thing I need to explain to you. This tool only recover the coins you get on. It takes 7 days to recover the coins, because the pools have 7 days to recover the coins. So after 7 days, if the pool doesn't claim for that coins, so you can claim for that coins. So that's how it works. Okay, so that's the reason we cannot claim for coins we mine immediately. Okay, we can only claim for coins we mine 7 days ago. Okay, 7 days or more ago. Okay, let's see if I can claim for some coins. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Let's try this one. I'm gonna show you now. Guys, there is one more thing I cannot forget before we start to do it. There is a command we need to give it on PowerShell to allow access on to foreign scripts on PowerShell. Okay, this is the command. It's to set execution policy to bypass the it's some security. Okay, this way the PowerShell could install some things it would need. Okay, it's some things that Flora network uh, put in on its script, and it's necessary to do its work. Okay, um, I'm using it, and I didn't have any problem, so I think it's safe to use. I don't think it's a problem. Okay, I really trust on Flora Network group, so I think Flora Network team it they wouldn't put anything bad on its scripts to harm us. Okay, so I'm using it, and I don't think it would be bad for us. Okay, so doing it, it's in Portuguese here, but the PowerShell, it's saying that the execution policy it helps to against scripts that are not trusted. So they the PowerShell wants to make sure you want to allow it. So I just click on yes. So I only allowing this script. Okay, I click on yes. So only this script I'm using. Oh, okay. This is only a detail. I have to put on administrator. Okay, so we are gonna open here on PowerShell on admin mode. Okay, so we use PowerShell here. We click here. It's PowerShell in with the right click on mouse and click and execute as an administrator. Okay, right now I can use that command that I'm gonna leave on the description of this video. Okay, so using it now, the PowerShell it's asking me, and I'm gonna click on yes. So only this script is gonna have this I'm going to allow it only this script. Okay, only yes and not yes for all. Okay, yes. So it's okay. Now the script is it's gonna be allowed. Okay. Right now I'm gonna click on here. I'm gonna copy my script, and I'm gonna paste it on here. Okay. And we're gonna see if I have any coins to recover. Let's see. Okay. It's checking, it's connecting on Flora network. The port it's 18755. So remember that this this launcher hash has only 27 plots. So probably I don't have any coins to recover from this launcher hash, but I might have some from this too. But let's try this one little fast. The second okay, oh sorry, I forgot to put the name of the blockchain in here, but I don't really want to because I'm doing the Flora network, so it's not necessary. I just copy without the name of the blockchain, so it's not going to be a problem. Let's come in here. No coins. Okay. Let's copy without the blockchain. Here we go again. No coins again. Let's see if we are lucky now. Oh, we have coins. Here we go. See, we have 3.5 coins. Let's go to Flora. Flora. See, I have 0 coins in here. I have 0 because I have already drained all coins. I have shipped it to another wallet. Not shipped, I have sent to another wallet. We are going to see the coins entering in my wallet right now. It usually takes like 1 minute, a half minute. So we can wait a little bit to see it. Oh, here we go. There you go. We have 3.5. The coins had been confirmed by the blockchain, so it's not it's a right. It's everything's it's right. It's confirmed by the blockchain. It's not it's I don't know how to explain in English, but everything is it's um, it's a right solution. It's everything's it's nice. So let's try the last one. So just to check, but everything is great. Okay. Maybe I don't have any coins, but let's see if we are lucky. No coins. Okay. I'm gonna really fast going to check another blockchain just to check with you. Some blockchain I didn't check yet. Maybe you're gonna see a lot of coins, and then we do just to check another coin, and then we check again. Guys, as you can see here on GitHub, we can use the script on various ways. Here, this string, uh, we can use the sleep string, so it will keep running. So just a detail I already tested, it's not hours here, it's minutes. So if you want to use daily, you have to use 1440 minutes. So 1440, it will run every day, okay? And here, so blockchains, this is the one we are going to use now. We're going to test it. So we're going to try to use 3 blockchains in the same command. Okay, this is very nice. So I already prepared here a little command. So you can check it here. We're going to try it blockchain, maize, Chia, and cactus. Okay, so we're going to try all the 3. Oh, just a detail. To get the name of this, because sometimes we don't know if it's Doge, Chia, Doge, underline Chia, or how it is, we can use it the same way it is here on the user. So you can go and get this exactly the same way the folder is without the dot. So cactus is here, cactus without the dot. Doshia, here, doshia without the dot. And maize, here, maize without the dot. Okay? And we got slash blockchain, maize, comma, doshia, comma, cactus. Okay? So that's the part of the line we are gonna add. Oh, sorry. We're gonna add on the each line. Here we go. Oh, here we go. And here we go. So we are gonna try it and let's see if it works. I'm sure it works because I already tested in another machine. But we're gonna try it now just to you guys to check it. So we are gonna go. So the first one is gonna be maze. So the maze, it's running on maze port. Maze. This one I don't have for maze. I don't have coins on this wallet on this on this NFT. Okay. Either for Chia and for cactus. Let's see if I'm lucky on cactus. Let's already copy the second one. Oh, on cactus I had one. Okay. Okay, let's see the second one. Okay, I had one for maize, no one for Chia, and I got 3 for cactus. Nice. Let's see the third one. Let's copy the fourth one. The fourth one, I'm sure have a lot of ones, a lot of coins. Okay, I got some for Chia and none for cactus. And okay, now we are gonna see a lot of coins. I hope so. I hope so. A lot of ones in here. A lot of ones in here. And a lot of ones. Oh my God. We got a lot. We got a lot. Great. This is nice. Okay, let's see the last line. The last one, I have a lot of plots too, but the fourth one, I have more plots than the fifth one. So, okay, good one, good thing. Okay, also good, and good. So, as you can see, we can do this way, okay? Just to let you know, I can just start add the /sleep like this, and like 1440, as I told you, it is going to be 1440 minutes. That is exactly 24 hours. So this command is going to repeat every 24 hours. So you don't need to worry. Your coins automatically are going to enter in your wallet. Okay? So I'm going to end this video. This is everything I'd like to show you. Okay, just one more command I'm gonna show you. After everything done, if you want to get execution policy back to the default, okay, on the PowerShell, this is the command, okay, Set-ExecutionPolicy /execution policy default. I'm gonna leave this command also on the video description, okay? So you can get back to the default execution policy. This way you don't need to worry about some problem on your PowerShell or something like this. Okay, I'm not gonna do this command because I'm gonna still try to recover my coins. Okay, so this is not going. I'm not going to do this right now. So I'm going to delete it but I'm going to leave this command because if some of you guys want to go back to the default of PowerShell, this is the way you are going to do. Okay, so this video ends this way. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a like to this video. And we have groups on Discord and Telegram. It's Portuguese groups. I'm sorry, guys, but if you want to get in these groups, I'm gonna leave the links on the video description. So feel free. So if you like the channel, so feel free to follow the channel too. I'm gonna try to make some videos in English too. I'm sorry, my English is not that good, but I'm trying. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.